Mga Katimbol Vlogs, welcome sa isa na namang video bus vlog. So ang gagamitin nating bus ngayon, before that pala, we're doing a charter now pala, mga Katimbol Vlogs. So check. Dito tayo ngayon sa kay Para Depot. Dito tayo kukuha ng bus para sa ating gagawing charter ngayong umaga. So, bus number na gagamit natin ngayon si bus number 1450. This is a white bus with registration plate number GBY 183. Tapos, come on, let's check now. Check na natin yung mga tama. Kung may tama ba, may mga gasgas ba? Kasi these are newly painted buses, intended to be run by sa train. Mga testers nya is all good. Tires are all good. Let's check natin yung sa likod. Okay. Okay naman. Sabi sa likod. Check natin. All good. All good. Good. That's what they say. It's all good. All good. No. Natin yung mga upuan. Baka may mga tas-tas na. Okay, so it's all good. Is nice heating system, all good. So that's all for our bus check for today. Until next video bus vlog, paalam. Today pala is May 30, 2024 here in kay Para Wellington, New Zealand. All good.